Hey guys, good morning. I want to show you a little something here. I've been working on my air conditioner. Woo woo. Well, it's a mini split Pioneer. This is a cassette style unit. Anyway, I've been working on that. I want to show you a couple things on what I got going on. Uh, Here we go. Hold on just a second here. Okay, I magically got out here outside. Let me show you what I got going on. Okay, so here's my outside unit. I went ahead and attached it there. I'm going to go ahead and build a frame here for that to mount that, and then my lines and everything go up there. That's where I crashed. But what I want to show you here is what I did. Whoa, look at that. Nah. Okay, so what happened is yesterday is I pulled a vacuum on this thing and I thought everything was good. And oh yeah, here's what I did. Here's the hole I cut out. But anyways, I gotta take this and unzip all these screws, take this out, and I have to, let me pull this back off here. So this line I got good and tight. This line down here, the little one, it unfortunately is wet, so that tells me that it has leaked out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this back out, re-clean these lines, and I'll attach the lines while I have this sitting out here. I'll redo it, and then I'll do the vacuum test, or what, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I can't buy the R410A because you have to have a permit. So, and there's the old hole for my old air conditioner. Anyway, so you guys, let me turn this back. So I need some help, somebody that does AC or whatever, to come and now recover this stuff that's left in the line, whatever's left in, recover that and recharge my system, because I can't buy this stuff. So that's where I'm at. I have no heat. Well, I got my furnace, but yeah. Anyway, you guys, I created a little bit of a mess. I got it going a little too fast. I should have just slowed down a little bit, and I got too excited about getting it going, and I didn't. I should have just, yeah. Anyways, I messed up, and it's my fault. So anyway, you guys stay tuned. I'll let you know when I get her all up and running. But it did run. It did cool. It did heat really good for a day until all that crap leaked out. But anyway, all right, guys, stay tuned. I'll let you know what's going on.